Happy Friday, y'all. We're about to make the Friday night dessert. I have some ice cream pints made up in the freezer, 2 just vanilla ones that we can add in whatever we want to add. But I also found this in the cabinet. It's a no-bake triple chocolate cheesecake mix that we got from the Nora Meal Granary a long time ago, because I don't even remember getting it. But I saw it up in the cabinet. We're gonna make it. I don't have, it calls for Cool Whip, but I have heavy whipping cream, so we're gonna change a few things. I also don't have a chocolate crust, but I have this shortbread crust. So ours is still gonna be triple chocolate because we're gonna add some of these chocolate chips in here. Why did they call theirs triple chocolate? Let's see. I guess they have 2 different kinds of, oh yeah, they have cocoa and unsweetened chocolate in here, and then the chocolate crust. So we're gonna have those 2 chocolates and these chocolate chips since our crust is a shortbread. Oh yeah, cream cheese, where did I put that? I'm gonna put this in the microwave for just a few seconds on defrost to soften it up a little bit. And this is gonna be really easy. We just mix the cream cheese with this mixture, and then we're gonna add the heavy whipping cream and whip it all together until it's nice and fluffy. And we'll chop up. You hid what? What'd you hide? This? You hid the cream, oh, you hid the cream cheese from me. I didn't think I put it over there. We're gonna chop up some of these chocolate chips to add in with it, so there will be tiny little chocolate chip bits all throughout the cheesecake. I made those vanilla ice cream mixtures the morning after we had the ice cream mix-in party, just so that whenever we wanted to make some of the ice cream in the Ninja, I would have those ready to go, but we still haven't even touched them yet. Oh, they have other flavors. What is the brand of this anyway? Oh, maybe Country Home, yeah, Country Home Creations. I guess that's the brand, but they have banana, caramel, key lime, lemon, orange dreamsicle, peanut butter, pumpkin, raspberry bliss, strawberry, turtle, vanilla, cherry. Y'all, I have in here vanilla, let me see what it is real quick. It smells so good. It's the thing that Manly said smelled like apple cider donuts to him yesterday. Sorry, washer and dryer is going, so it's kind of loud. It's this Yankee Candle vanilla cupcake. I got this on clearance at Walmart. I don't even remember when I got it, but it was only $2.50. They smell amazing. I've had a lot of different wax melts. The Goose Creek ones are pretty good, but this one by far is the best, best one that gives off the best smell. These Yankee Candle ones. I don't even know if I've ever had any other Yankee Candle ones though, so maybe I need to test it out a little more, but they definitely smell up the whole house, and it smells great. When you walk in, if you didn't know that it was like 90 something outside, you would think it was fall in here when you smell that smell. And I think we're gonna have tacos tonight. We've got 2 of these tortilla pocket kits, and we have these spicy hard taco shells. I'm excited to try one of those. This needs to go in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. It's just now a little bit after 12, so it'll have plenty of time in the refrigerator. That's not quite a full 8-ounce block of cream cheese. I cut off just a little bit, like 1 ounce, because the ice cream mixtures take ½ an ounce of cream cheese. So I've just cut off 1 ounce, but that's fine. We'll pour in this mixture. And we'll mix. Oh, they have some little chocolate chips already in here. I didn't know. It didn't say that on the ingredients, did it? Well, we won't have to cut up any. You know what? I'll still cut up a few of the chocolate chips though, because we'll save some of this heavy cream to make our own whipped cream just to put on the top, and we'll put a few little chocolate chip shavings over the top. Okay, mix that all together. To make enough that would be the same amount as the container of 8-ounce Cool Whip, we need 1.5 cups of liquid heavy cream. And there's still just enough in there for us to make some whipped cream. Alright, we're going to start this off slow and then speed it up so it can really whip it all together. Real quick, I'm just going to scrape down on the sides, make sure that first part is really getting mixed in. What we'll do is go ahead and put this in the pie crust and stick it in the refrigerator. We'll make the other whipped cream to put on top and go ahead and chop up the chocolate chips, and we'll just keep all that separate until we get ready to slice into the pie, and then we'll put a little bit on top and sprinkle the chocolate chips over it. I just got like all over my hand from the paddle attachment. That's okay. Did I taste test it since it was all over my hand and that spatula? Yes, I did. And let me tell you, it's gonna be good. Just gonna dump it into the pie crust, and then I'll dry off the lid. I washed it real quick. I'll dry it off and put it on top. And this is ready to go in the refrigerator. And I'll rinse this out real quick and we'll make some whipped cream. Because that little dollop of whipped cream on top makes everybody happy. Look at all those chocolate chips in there. Who's that coming in? Sissy? You want to taste test this? Gonna be a winner. I just got excited. I was telling Sissy what I was gonna do with the whipped cream and these chocolate chips, and I ripped the bag. We're gonna dump them in here real quick. And there we go. Quick and easy. Now another thing y'all can do, if you can't find that mix, you can easily make a chocolate cheesecake like this by using chocolate pudding mix. Instead of the mix that we had, just use a chocolate pudding mix and add you some chocolate chips in there. It'll be pretty much the same thing. Alright, I got this washed, but I'm gonna let it cool down before we make the whipped cream in it, because I used really hot water, so it's a little warm right now. We'll go ahead and chop up a few of these chocolate chips though. And we don't need too many of them, just enough, you know, to sprinkle over the top of the whipped cream. So probably about that much will be enough. I love these little containers. I got them from Ingles several months ago. They do have like a little problem with the latches. They're not really heavy duty, so if you see these at Ingles, just, you know, remember that. The latches, I've had one that the latch completely broke off and I couldn't fix it back, but I'll chop these up a little bit. I want it to be really thin little pieces, kind of looks like chocolate shavings, you know, like that. If I had a bar of chocolate, we would just use a grater and get those really nice shavings, but I just have chocolate chips right now. We're gonna go see if our cucumber is ready to pick. I know that one probably is. And I am so excited. It will be the very first cucumber that we have ever grown. Look at that squash, that's looking pretty good. Normally they don't get that big before they start, you know, shriveling up. So maybe we'll get some squash. Oh, there's a bean. Go ahead and grab that bean while I see it. Y'all are not gonna believe it, but I think this is another big cucumber that I didn't even see the other day. I think we've got two to pick, Manny. We've got another one right here. We've got another one coming there. I'm gonna make sure I'm not missing one because I didn't even see that other big one the other day. One there, one over there. I'm very surprised about these cucumbers. Some more right there, but I don't see another big one, I don't think. It goes all the way over here though. Yeah, those strawberries are ready. You can pick them. We'll get this okra. Oh, there's a bean. I bet there are beans everywhere. They are very hard to see.
I never got to show you them yet.
Oh, yeah. I want to put all this okra in a freezer bag and put it in the refrigerator. And I'm not going to wash it yet. I'll wash it whenever we get ready to cook it. We can't wait, y'all. We're going to taste this cucumber. I got it washed off. That's good. Best cucumber I've ever had. Jonah and Cece are getting all the toppings and stuff ready. Jonah's getting taco sauce in there. This kit came with taco sauce, so he's just dumping the pouches into a bowl. Cece's opening up the tortilla pockets. We've got hot sauce, salsa, some of this cheese dip. I'm gonna shred up this sharp cheddar jack, and this is the taco seasoning that came in the kit that we're gonna mix with the meat. I also have some already shredded mozzarella we can use too. And we'll slice up these little grape tomatoes. We tasted the spicy hard shells. They're pretty good. They kind of have that pizza flavor, you know, like pizza Pringles or pizza flavored chips. They seem kind of pizza-ish, but they are good.
Somebody asked in the comments if I tell you if the stuff you cook is not good.
Oh yeah, they just hadn't seen those videos. There's been a few.
And the answer is absolutely yes. If I taste it and I don't like it, I will definitely say it's not good. But we're fixing to taste this and see if this is any good. Stays together good. That's really tasty.
Yeah.
Like, that's really good.
I tasted of the mix before I put it in the pie crust. I knew it was going to be good.
There's a little crunch in there.
Yeah, it had some kind of little chocolate chips in the mix.
That is good.
Did we just read this one?
No, we haven't read that one in a long time.
Where's the pump?
Which one you want? He decided on one more rabbit. It's been a long time since we read this one. Once upon a time, in a hollow tree stump lived one excited rabbit with one loving mother and one loving father. They were a big, warm rabbit family all in one clump, and they all celebrated together in a hollow tree stump.
Good night,